Today we will start with goodwill. We all know that goodwill is an intangible asset that provides benefit in the future which is more than normal profit. So if an organization earns more than normal profit due to its good reputation or good image in the market, it is considered as goodwill. Today we will learn how we can calculate the value of goodwill of a firm, which can be done by using following three methods, that is average profit method, super profit method and capitalization method. Average profit method again can be solved in two different ways which we study today. So start with the formula of average profit method. Average profit is equal to total profit by number of years, and value of goodwill is equal to average profit multiplied by number of year purchased. Here number of years and number of year purchased is not same. We will understand it by using an example. Look at the example. X, Y and Z are partners sharing profit and loss equally. The value of goodwill is to be calculated on the basis of 4-year purchase of last 5-year profit. It means X, Y and Z तीन partners हैं who will share their profit equally and they want to calculate their value of goodwill on the basis of last 5-year purchase. So the profit of last 5 year are as follow. In 2001 profit is 1,10,000. In 2002 profit is 1,60,000. In 2003 profit is 9,500 and in 2004 there is a loss of rupees 65,000. Again in 2005 profit of rupees 1,20,000. So we need to calculate the value of goodwill using the profit and loss of last 5 years. So look at the solution. We will draw the same format in solution as well, and we need to sum up the profit and subtract the loss. We will add 1,10,000, 1,60,000, 95,000 and 1,20,000 and we subtract 65,000. The answer is 4,20,000. That means total profit of last 5 years is 4,20,000. Now we need to calculate the average profit and the formula is total profit by number of years. Total profit of last 5 years is 4,20,000 and the profit of last 5 years, so we divide it by 5. We will get 84,000. After that, value of goodwill is equal to average profit multiplied by number of year purchase, which is already given in sums as 4. So we simply multiplied 84,000 by 4, which is 3,36,000. So the value of goodwill is 3,36,000. This is the sum without any adjustment, a simple sum, but there are few sums which are with adjustment. So we will solve another sums by using the method average profit method with adjustment. Okay. Look at the problem. A and B sharing profit and losses in the ratio 7:3. Calculate the value of goodwill at 2-year purchase of 3-year normal average profit. Here the last 3 years profit is given and we need to calculate the value of goodwill of 2-year purchase. So the profit of previous 3 years were as follow. In 2016, profit is 3,000 after debiting loss of stock by fire rupees 4,000. In 2017, loss is 8,000 after VRS compensation paid rupees 11,000. In 2018, profit is 10,500, includes a profit of rupees 2,500 on sale of fixed asset. Here we only use normal profit for the calculation of value of goodwill. So we need to add or subtract abnormal gain and abnormal loss from the given profit. Look at the solution. In year 2016, profit of rupees 3,000 which include abnormal loss of stock by fire. So we need to add back it to get the normal profit because loss by fire not occur every year. So we will add back rupees 4,000, so we will get rupees 7,000. Now in 2017 VRS compensation paid, similar way we will add back it, so the actual profit of 2017 is rupees 3,000. In 2018 10,500 is the profit, which include rupees 2,500 of profit on sale of assets. So we need to subtract it because it is abnormal gain. So actual profit of 2018 is 8,000. Again we put this in the formula. Average profit is equal to total profit by number of years. That is 7,000 plus 3,000 plus 8,000 by 3, because we are using the profit of last 3 years. So 18,000 divided by 3, we will get 6,000 as average profit. Now value of goodwill is equal to average profit multiplied by number of years purchase. That is 6,000 multiplied by 2, which is 12,000. So here we solve two sums, one with adjustment and one is without adjustment. This way we calculate value of goodwill using average profit method. But as I said, there is one more method in average profit method, that is weighted average profit method. So the formula of weighted average profit method is total profit divided by weight. Weight is always given in your sums, and value of goodwill is equal to weighted average profit multiplied by number of year purchased. Okay, so look at the example. X Limited, a partnership firm, earned profit during the past 5 years as follow. Year 2012 profit is 10,000, in 2013 it is 15,000, in 2014 it is 20,000, in 2015 it is 27,000, and in 2016 it is 33,000. It was decided to value the value of goodwill on the basis of 3-year purchase of average profit of last 5 years given, weight 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 to the profit. So we will prepare a chart of 4 columns. One is year, another is profit, third one is weight, and last one is multiplication of profit and weight. So year and profit is already given in your sums and weight is also given. So we directly put it in the chart and find out the figure of profit multiplied by weight. Profit of 2012 is 10,000, and so we will get rupees 10,000. Similarly in 2013 profit is 15,000, weight is 2. When we multiplied it we get 30,000. In 2014 20,000 into 3 we will get 60,000. In 2015 27,000 into 4 1,08,000. In 2016 33,000 into 5 we will get 1,65,000, and the total of 10,000, 30,000, 60,000, 1,08,000 and 1,65,000 is 3,73,000. Similarly, the sum total of weight is 15. So, simply put this in the formula. Weighted average profit is equal to total profit divided by weight. That is 3,73,000 divided by 15. We will get 24,867. Value of goodwill is equal to weighted average profit multiplied by number of year purchase. That is 24,867 multiplied by 3. We will get 74,601. So by using weighted average profit, the value of goodwill is 74,601. In this way we learned today two methods which is used for the valuation of goodwill. One is average profit method and another is weighted average profit method.
If you like this video, please click subscribe to watch more such videos. Thanks for watching.